Understanding when and why to factory reset your Amazon Basics smart switch or dimmer is crucial for maintaining optimal performance and resolving common issues. A factory reset returns your Amazon Basics smart switch or dimmer to its original factory settings. This process completely erases all previous configurations, network connections, and custom settings you may have applied. There are three main scenarios when you should consider factory resetting your smart switch. First, when troubleshooting persistent issues like the switch turning on repeatedly or experiencing connectivity problems. Second, when making network changes such as switching to a new Wi Fi network or replacing your router. The device needs to be reset to connect to the new network properly. Third, when moving to a new home or setting up the device for the first time in a different location. This ensures a clean slate for the new installation. Factory resetting your smart switch provides several key benefits. It resolves persistent connectivity issues, clears any corrupted settings, and prepares the device for a completely fresh setup, ensuring optimal performance. Before beginning the factory reset process, ensure you have physical access to the switch, have the Alexa app installed and ready, and know your Wi Fi network credentials for the subsequent setup. Understanding these scenarios and preparing properly will ensure a smooth factory reset process and successful reconnection of your Amazon Basics smart switch or dimmer. First, we'll perform the factory reset. Locate the power button on your Amazon Basics smart switch or the bottom section if you have a dimmer model. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. Watch for the status light to start blinking red and green alternately. Release the button when the light blinks green, indicating the reset is complete. Your switch is now ready for setup. Next, open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone. Navigate to the Devices section by tapping the Devices icon at the bottom of the screen. In the Devices section, tap the plus icon to add a new device, then select Add Device from the menu. Choose Switch from the device type options, then select Amazon Basics as the brand. The app will guide you through the setup process. When prompted, connect to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Note that 5 GHz networks are not supported by this device. If you don't have a barcode to scan, select Don't Have a Barcode option. Finally, give your device a name and add it to a room group for easy organization. If you encounter issues, ensure both the Alexa app and device firmware are up to date. Also, verify that your switch is within 30 feet of your paired Alexa device for optimal connectivity.